Hey everyone! I am here to show you what gel brush that I use to do my builder gel nails with, and here it is. Everybody sees me use it, and I've had so many questions. Well, what brush do you use, and where do you get it, and how much is it? And well, I'm going to give you all that information right here, right now. So anyways, this is the brush, and it's very pretty on the outside, and it has like a number 6. I think that's a number 6 on the end, and it's square and flat, and then it has a liner brush on the other end, and this liner brush is great for getting the gel really close to the cuticle area, and that's why I like it. It's also good for drawing, for painting, a lot of nice things. Now that first one I showed you, I've had that brush for 5 years, okay? And now these other two I got like maybe, about 2 years ago. I have never used this one here. Never at all yet. It's a spare too. These are 2 spares I have. Plus I have 2 others on order right now. You can never have enough on hand. But anyways, that's one that's never been used. And then the one up on top, I have used it. I'm using 2 at the same time. I'll either grab this one or the other one. You can see here that the 2 on the bottom are the newest ones that I've bought like 2 years ago. And the one on the top is the one I've had for about 5 years. And the width of the bristles are the same, but the 2 on the bottom, they're just a little bit longer, but not that much. So it really doesn't make a difference. These brushes are available on eBay for $7.98 or on Aliexpress for $1.84. So that's a good deal. So don't let anybody ever tell you that, oh, that's a cheap brush. It's, just because it is cheaper in the price doesn't make it cheaper in quality. I mean, it works really well. And I've used it for 5 years, so I know. And I'm just showing you here the liner ends of the brush. Now the link to these brushes will be in the description box below. I'll put the link for eBay and AliExpress. And here I'm just showing you the pretty pink diamonds. I have 2 color variations there. A lighter pink diamond, which is my older brush, 5 years, and then the 2 on the top are the newest ones. And you always want to keep extra brushes on hand because you never know when they might not sell these anymore. And I have 2 more ordered through AliExpress that I'm waiting to come. And if you want to see how to clean and prepare your gel brushes, then look up in the corner, follow the arrow, and watch that video, and that'll show you how I take care of them and bring them back from a bad hair day, which usually they don't have bad hair days. But anyways, that is it. These are the brushes that I use, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.